Hello friends, I am Hirak Bishwas, ATL in charge of DBMS English School, Jamshedpur. In this video today, we will be discussing about jumper wires and dual temperature heat guns. Jumper wires are simply wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect two points to each other without soldering. For example, this is a jumper wires which have two pins at the ends, or this is another jumper wire which has pin at one end and a connector at the other end. Jumper wires are typically used with breadboards and other prototyping tools in order to make it easy to change the circuit needed when we are making circuit for the prototype. For example, here if I want to connect this breadboard to the Arduino, I use this jumper wire. I can easily change the circuit as required, or if I want to connect a sensor to the Arduino, I can connect it like this. This is an MQ sensor which gets connected with the help of this wire, jumper wire, to the Arduino. So jumper wires comes in a bunch of 40 and in different colors. Jumper wire comes in a bunch of 40 like this and comes in different colors. The color generally doesn't mean anything, but we can use the color to our advantage. For example, we can use the red color for VCC and the black color for ground pin. For example, if I am connecting the breadboard with the Arduino, the VCC pin or the 5-volt pin, I can use the red color pin, and for the ground pin, I can use the black color pin. And this can be connected to the breadboard very easily and can be identified. So, from the color of the wire, the red color, we understand that this is the VCC connection and the black one is a ground connection. The breadboard, the jumper wires are basically of three types: the male-male, male-female, and female-to-female. Male ends have pins protruding and things and can plug into things. Female ends have connector used to plug things into. This is a male-male jumper wire which have pins at both the ends. This is a male-female jumper wire which has pin at other end and a connector at the other end. And this is a female-female jumper wire which has the connector at both the ends. For example, if you want to connect these sensors to the basic shield, I will use this female-female jumper wire which fits into the pins of the basic shield as well as of the sensor. So depending on the use, we choose the type of jumper wire we require, that is male-male, male-female, or female-female. Male-female jumper wires are most commonly used and will be used for connecting or making several connections in the breadboard. So that's all about jumper wires. We now come to dual temperature heat gun. A heat gun is a device which emits a steam of hot air, usually at a temperature between 100 degree and 500 degree centigrade. Here we have a Black and Decker dual temperature heat gun. The maximum temperature is 400 degree centigrade and the maximum temperature is 550 degree centigrade and the minimum temperature is 400 degree centigrade. If I press this button, it is 500 degree centigrade, and if I press this button, it is 400 degree centigrade. So you can feel the hot air coming out of the heat gun. It is generally used for making several projects in our lab. It can be used for stripping paints and varnishes, loosening rust, nut bolt, throw frozen pipes, or quick drying of almost anything. That's all about dual temperature heat gun and jumper wires. Hope it will be very useful for you all. Thank you.